Hello all, welcome back to History of Bits. So in this React Native tutorial, we are going to see how to hide this bottom navbar on some particular page. For example, now I am on home screen. Suppose I want to go to the details page and I want to hide this navbar. Okay, so to do that, we need a piece of code, and before that I will explain what is on this screen and what is on the code. Okay, so and this is my home stack. Okay, this is an stack based navigation, and also another tab called settings. It's also an stack navigator, and finally an tab navigator is the in the bottom here. Okay, so whenever I go to home screen, I need to display this tab bar, and whenever I go to the screens after the home, for example, from here to I need to go to the details or go to the extra details. Okay, I need to hide it. So to do that, we need to add some few lines of code here in home stack. Okay, so I will explain the code. Just I will paste it now. Okay, so here we are getting that we are getting the navigation and a route from the prompts. So from prompts we are extracting the state and checking whether the state is available. If the state is available means then we need to check the what's its index. For example, here home is index 0. Okay, so suppose if I go to home to details and it is index 2, index 1. Okay, so because it's the level of home is level 0 and detail is level 1. Suppose if I go to home detail and extra details, it is level 2. Okay, so this is how it's going to be happen. So whenever the level 0 is crossed, for example, whenever we move from home to some other page, we need to hide the tab bar. Okay, so to do that we need to add a navigation dot set options tab bar visible to false. Okay, so if you visit the document, you can see that hide tab bar in specific screens. Okay, so here you can pass an parameter called tabBarVisible. So we are passing that as false. Okay, now if we go to some other pages, you can see that the tab bar is hidden. Okay, it's on web. You can switch to Android or iOS. Okay, so if we check it here, it's also going to work here. So no need. Okay, so let's stick with the Android itself. Okay, now let's tap to play. Okay, we are on the queue, so no problem, we can stick with the web. You can see that if I go to the extra details, this was hidden. So if I again go to the details, and I need to change the routes. Okay, and so here I need to move to the details, right? Okay, so if I go to the extra details, this was hidden, and if I go to details, okay, this is the index of 2. Okay, so we explained here, right? And it's the index of 2. Okay, so here also it was hidden. Okay, and we can come back, and when we come back, you can see that, right? When we come back, it's not there. So to do that, we need to do things like, yeah, it's loaded here, but because of it's reloaded, so we need to do that. If route dot name equal to home. Okay, if route dot home, then we can set the option as true. We can do on this way, and we can do in some other way also. For example, we can add just an else to do that. For example, now if I am going to extra details, okay, and it's not hidden. Okay, else true. Okay, go to extra details, go to details, so switch back to home, you can get it, right? So this is the another way, and there are few other ways. So and that's all in this video. Take care, bye bye.